Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve simultaneous nonlinear and linear equations involving two unknowns. Okay, so what we have here is two equations in front of us. This is the first one and this is the second one. So it is best if we are using a quadratic equations. Yeah. Okay, so in this case, what we want to do is we substitute this one into this one, or this one into this one, doesn't really matter actually. Okay, so we have square root of m plus 2 equals 4 minus square root of m plus 1. Okay, so we already substitute lah. We already substitute and then we have everything in terms of m. Yeah. Okay, so in this case, what should we do is with we just square both side. Okay, we square both side. We square left hand side, which is the square root of m plus 2. And then we square root the right hand side, 4 minus square root of m plus 1. Okay, so what we have is left hand side is m plus 2. Okay, equals this one. We expand one by one. This is A and this is our B. Okay, so it's A squared, okay, minus 2AB minus 2AB. Why minus? Because in front of your minus lah. Okay, if it's plus, then plus lah. Okay, this is A, sorry, I put it back. This is B, use pink lah, easy. Okay, and then plus B, this is B squared, like that, yeah. Okay, and then we make simplify lah. Okay, so that is 16, that is minus berapa, 8 square root of m plus 1, and this is plus m plus 1. Okay, so we still have one square root over there. That's fine. So what we do is we isolate the square root over to the left hand side. Okay, so this 8 will be over 8m plus 1 will be over here. So 16 plus m plus 1, rewrite je lah, m plus 17. Okay, minus m minus 2. Okay, because m plus 2 over left hand side, we move it, we will have these two over to the right hand side. Okay, this one simplify further. M minus what? 0, right? Okay, 17, 12, 15 what? Okay, 15. So we have 8 square root of m plus 1 equals 15. Okay, this one, we still have square root, right? We square both sides one more time. Okay, so square root of m plus 1, this one square root of 15. If I'm not mistaken, the square for 15 is 225. Yes, I just checked with my calculator, that's why you hear the thumping sound. 8 squared is 64, m plus 1. Okay, so what we have is just divide them, I guess. 225 over 64, m plus 1. Okay, the plus 1, we minus 1. Okay, therefore m equals 225 over 64 minus 1 becomes 161 over 64. Okay, this is the value of m. We have to find the value of n. Okay, so just use one of the equations from up top, but I'm using n square root of m plus 2. Correct. M plus 2. Correct. So what m is this one. So just ganti 161 over 64. Okay, and then plus 2. I have, is it squareable? Oh, it is. It's a square root of something 17 over 8. It's 289 over 64. Okay, so these are the answer for the first one. M is 161 over 64 and N is 17 over 8. Okay, let's look at the second one involving Q and P. Okay, so we already isolated Q over here in the first equation, so our work is very easy. So what we are going to do is we substitute these over there. Okay, so maybe it's best I write Q minus square root of P equals 2 over here. Okay, and then I substitute what Q is over here. Okay, with a square root of P plus 16. Correct lah. Correct. Okay. Now we have this. We have two square root. Square root, right? So it is the best if we move one square root on the other side. So P plus 16, square root of P plus 16. Okay, 2 plus square root of P. From this one, it's easier for us to square both sides. Yeah. So just copy paste P plus 16 inside the bracket, 2 plus square root of P. Okay, this one simply P plus 16 equals 4 plus 4 lah. 4 square root of P plus P. Okay, now we isolate the square root over left hand side, minus 4 square root of P. Okay, and then 4 plus P minus 16. We have minus 4 square root of P. 4 minus 16 minus 12, right? PP 0. Correct? Correct. Okay, and then we can lose lah the negative easier. Now we square root both side for the second time. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Square. Okay. Now we have 16P equals 144. Okay, and then we have P equals 144 over 16. Okay, what Q is? QP plus 6 square root. Okay, P equals P plus 16. Square root of P plus 16, right? Yes. Okay, and then we just ganti the P lah. This is the P. Okay, put it inside there. Okay. Oh, too small. Okay, make it bigger. 144 over 16. Okay, so we have a square root of 144 over 16 plus 16. We have 25. Oh, surprisingly nice number. So we have 5. Yeah. Okay, so this is the answer for the second one. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.